After almost finishing painting your bedroom last night, you've decided to repaint it all now?
Yes.
I love how they just watch you bloody do all the hard work.
Morning.
I thought we were going to sleep in today.
Just needed a bit of a rest. Oh!
Jazzy! Your PJs!
Ding! Light bulb moment.
Yeah.
Right, mate, I'm getting out of your hair.
I've got none. Mac Daddy's got your Mac delivery!
Yeah.
I'll be back. Everybody all at once, come on.
You are super quiet. That is very dangerous.
Okay.
I've never been so hot and sweaty in my whole entire life. Holy crap, I could just feel the sweat.
And those handles.
Yum.
I think the reason the paint job wasn't great on the beach box is because he had actually lost his glasses. He did it blind.
I did. What, do you want to go to the pub?
I don't know.
Come on, I'm always scared. Well, you got to let the paint dry.
All right.
Look, we're doing well for time.
I'm going to get ribs in.
Sarah's taken a real shine into Keith.
He's just cool. I'm just starstruck.
I'm starting to get worried.
Is that going to take long, Dad?
Oh, no, I'm really... that won't take long.
Hey?
Won't take long.
Hey?
It won't take long.
Can't hear you, it's so insulated under there.
We're really trying to match everything in that room to the 1900s.
No, see, I'll disagree with that. It's like you're talking decor. Nothing in that room is 1900s.
Yes, it is.
How's my hair?
Dad's not allowed to have an opinion about what he likes.
I never knew that toilets were so...
Comfortable.
Don't ask how much it was. So how much would one of these be normally?
16,000.
It is worth more than my car.
see
I've
it.
never seen an oven and thought it was sexy before.
Yeah, I know.
Look what the others are doing right now.
If you're saying you're happy with the tile selection, then I'm happy with that.
But I want to spend a bit more time with them.
Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo.
What are you two doing?
Excuse me.
Selfies?
I'm waiting to get in. How good's that?
I have to be happy.
20 minutes later. As a plumber, it's my jam.
Is a bathroom Tam's jam?
Tam's jam. Anything can be Tam's jam. Basin, what's that?
Basin, the thing you wash your hands at.
I'm all over it.
Also, we need specs on all of this.
What's specs?
Specifications.
Okay.
This is going to be a walk in the park.
Far out.
I expected that we just needed to do a nod to the era, but I think they want a really vigorous head shake to the era.
They want a head.
They want a headbang. What is it? Yeah. Beaumont Olympics. What place did you come?
Last.
Well, I was a bit upset at
Yeah,
Tasha originally.
She bought Harry a souvlaki,
souvlaki,
but she didn't
and
buy
she
any
didn't
for
offer
George. They're coping.
Wait, excuse me? I'm not talking to you anymore.
Why?
Nah.
Oh my God, I'm sorry I didn't get your souvlaki.
She got her dad a souvlaki, but not me.
He was stressed.
That's all
But
right.
I bought you cake.
She bought me some dessert,
It's good, hey.
so all is forgiven. Try that. We're still friends.
Hey, look what we found here.
Oh. Great.
I'll help you out the other one. Tell you what, it gets everywhere.
And one isn't enough, eh, Keithy? Cool.
I had none.
Keith and Dan, I think, took the
Four each.
majority of them.
Not bad at all.
And you sit.
And you drop it like it's hot. You do it.
You drop the kids off.
I want another 5 minutes.
Describe for me your week in one sentence.
Frustrating.
Don't make his head too big now. Jimmy, you got a fan.
I am a fan.
I'm dancing. I felt like the world was just going...
Mamma mia, here I go again.
Waterproofing. Check.
Tyler.
Check.
You are what you eat. and what you eat is carpentry.
Check.
Harry and George are not just great friends, they're Greek friends.
I love you, man. Sorry, that was too far. That was too far. Happy days. Actually, that's where I'm going to sleep from now on. Under the house, so no one can find me. If they can't find me, they can't have any problems.
Just a little. Oh, sorry, James. I didn't even see you down there, mate. Safety officer.
She'll be right, mate.
Should be right.
She'll be right.
Should be right. No worries.
You sure?
Hey,
Sure, she'll be
like
right.
a bit different to the catwalk, isn't it?
What catwalk?
You know the catwalk?
Catwalk. On the catwalk, yeah.
Ah, shake my little tush on the catwalk.
Where's Jimmy boy?
He's out getting a fridge
What for?
for beer for his man shed.
This man shed?
Yeah.
Is that a man shed?
It's a man shed.
Let me have a look at this.
Come and have a look.
Oh, fantastic. Fridge would go in there.
Yeah.
I'm coming here for a beer.
Do you need to be better at sending people home?
No, because we were like in the hope that we could get sheets on that day.
No,
Things done.
it does sound like other people send their trades home, that's all.
Well, you obviously don't understand scheduling.
And
you
I
obviously
feel that,
don't
yeah.
understand while you're out at the shops. Ooh, Stephen Bradbury. He's going to be watching this probably. It's going to get back to him. But it's where you're last in the race and then
Your
everyone
competitors.
falls over in the middle and you go like this.
Choop.
To the front. But I don't want to smile
That their house is flooded.
that two of the houses flooded. But we caught a break this morning.
I just said,
It looks.
what's he doing?
We don't have a Tyler, but we have grapes.
They're actually nice. So we'll get a lot done. Anyway, I got to do this. Hey, can I join you? Yeah, come in.
Am I your favourite child?
Of course you are. You're the first.
You've got.
Oh, what's that?
It's the pampas grass.
God
That's why it's
almighty.
out here.
That's horrible. who puts that in a house?
That's why it's out here. Jimmy got the with it.
Put it in a skip bin. Keith, put that in the skip bin for me. Look at it. Oh.
It's gonna go all in my hair.
Let it snow.
Another day in paradise.
You can never have too many mirrors when you're a chick.
You're correct. You're right.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
You're right.
No. Just listen.
It's good. I tell you what, you both smell nice.
I might even wash my hair and stuff.
You won't have time, mate.
Oh.
Yeah, things aren't great with the grape.
You had great expectations.
Great expectations that weren't met. Because the great wasn't great.
And that's not great.
No, not great.
Can you just angle that way a bit for us? Oh, the other way.
Angle.
Yep. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, so we slept with that on.
With that on all night.
With that on all night. Sorry, what? With that on all night.
We slept with that on all night.
How did that go? Yeah.
Are you awake?
Should I ask one?
Why are there so many lollies in? Dad, they want me to pull the gaff up. The gaffer tape that's stuck to our waterproof. I'm scared. What if I damage it?
Where's the gaffer tape?
Let me get your glasses first.
Oh, there. Oh, yeah, there.
That is surgeon skills right there. And you've never seen a piece of gaffer tape removed with such precision.
Very slowly.
Oh, it's that one little bit. it all right, Dad?
It's okay, darling. Yes.
Oh, Harry to the rescue.
Oh, that was terrible. It was very painful. It was infected, but he found it. I'm a bit sore on the finger, but we're right, we're still alive. That's the main thing.
And he's telling everyone about it.
You got me begging you for mercy.
Mate, it wasn't pretty. They got the splinter out luckily. It was about this big. It was about this big. It's about this wide. Right, as big as a tree. They didn't put anaesthetic.
Okay.
It was poking all the pus.
Was it pus?
Yeah. Well, mate, they said I'm going to be scarred from here to my neck.
No.
That's how big my splinter was.
There goes your hand modelling career, George.
Yeah. I don't know how you did lose your arm, to be honest.
I don't know, mate. And he gave me 3 jelly beans after I got a tetanus shot.
As long as you get jelly beans.
I was like, done. I'm going to get another one.
How many did you get today?
I got 3 jelly beans
Hey,
today.
Dan's got the whole bowl.
He only gave you 3.
3?
You want some of these?
I'd love some.
Mate, I haven't got many to give around, though.
Mate, sharing's caring.
You can have 30, but that's all for now.
30? How about I just take a handful? I ate them up, and I don't know where they are now.
You ate them.
Thanks, Dan. This is the best day of my life.
Are you married?
Yes!